Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. Is it possible to make a card without using stamp sets and inks? Absolutely. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that using the World of Good Memories and More card pack. This card pack is featured in Stampin' Up's annual catalog. If you don't have this catalog, then you definitely want to head over to my blog and you can download a copy for free. And one of the products in the catalog is this card pack. So let's have a look at that. You get 50 double-sided cards, so you get 2 each of 25 designs that are 3 by 4. And then you also have some 4 by 6s. So you get 2 of each one, which is great because if you want to use this perhaps maybe on a scrapbook page, or you could use it for the front of a card. You can then, if you like the other side, you can use this on another project later because you get 2 of the same card in the pack. So you have 4 by 6 and you have 3 by 4. And then additionally, you have some specialty cards in here that are single-sided. Let me see if I can find one. Here's one. These are the ones, these cards have the gold foil on them, so they are single-sided. Think about die cutting. You can die cut, or you can use it as a layer on a card. So there's a couple of these specialty cards in the pack. And then there are 4 sticker sheets. So you get 1 of each design. And I'm going to use a combination of these cards and stickers to make today's card. So let's get started. Really simple idea that will pack a wow. I've got a piece of Whisper White and I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to fold it in half, and my card base is going to be this layout, which would be a landscape layout. And to that, I'm going to add a piece of the World of Good Designer Series paper. Let me show you this paper in the catalog. Here it is here. So this is an entire product suite called World of Good, and these cards that I'm going to use today, the Memories and More, are part of the suite. And here is the World of Good Specialty Designer Series paper. And it's got lovely patterns and colors in it. So I have cut a piece that is going to be used as a layer on the front of my card. So I'll attach that next. And then I decided that I really like this phrase, be the change you want to see in the world. I think that's very true. And I think it's perfect for my card. So this is a 3 by 4. So I've cut a layer of the Misty Moonlight, which is one of the colors in the Designer Series paper. So I'm going to add that as a layer. And then I'm going to adhere this to the front of my card. And the lovely thing about the lines on the Designer Series paper is that I can use those to line up my layer on top. All right, so then it's time to turn to the sticker sheets, and I really love this little banner. So what I'm going to do is add it underneath. I'm going to try and make it, so I'm going to add that. It adds just a nice little shine. And then I'm going to take this little sticker and I'm going to add it to the top. Again, I want to try and make it so that it is at the halfway point. Just bear with me here, like so. And then I think one final touch is I really like these little compass roses. So I think I will take a small one because it coordinates with the paper. And I think I will add it to the halfway point of my banner. And look at that. The card is completely done. Now, one other thing, sometimes some of you have left me messages saying, okay, so what do you do for the envelope of the card? So let's go back to this sticker sheet, and I could use a small one, but I think because my main color is this misty moonlight, let's make sure I've got my envelope the right way. I think what I'll do is I will just add a simple sticker to the front of my envelope, and that will complete my card. So as you probably have guessed, there are lots of other cards in this card pack that could be used along the same line to make a beautiful and very simple card without using a stamp set or ink. If you would like a complete listing of everything I used, as well as the measurements, although there really aren't very many measurements for this card, hop on over to my blog, www.nutsaboutstamping.com. I'll also place a link in the description box underneath this video in case you want to head over to my online store and add this really fun Memories and More card pack to your crafting collection so that you can make some very quick and easy cards when you have time. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you'll make something simple but beautiful today too. Bye for now.